My initial thoughts on soundings revolved around the reflecting of information, an idea that grew from studying the relationship between spaces within the city, which we undertook through LiDAR scanning. It called to mind the way in which ships measure depth with reflected radio waves, and how, more primitively, Roman towers signalled to each other along the Antonine Wall. As a group, we undertook various forms of experiential and empirical analysis of Croy and its surrounding area, our primary interests being centred around fluidity, capacity, signalling and exchange. In London, my interest in the reflection of information was expanded upon at 180 the Strand, which blurred the lines between the organic and the digital. Having focused our group work around the themes of capacity and signalling, my own coursework developed to focus on an actrist who works as a photographer in direct conversation with a series of dowels that act as markers of time. As such, I learned the fundamentals of film photography and its development. My site became Auchenstary Quarry, a place of changing capacities of stone and water. The actrist lives and works here to record the value of unique moments in time through photography and the guardianship of dowels of differing materials within the quarry's lake. Reflections cast upon the lake's surface speak the same language of the signalling Roman forts and the mirror studies I carried out at Croy in the first few weeks. This idea of signalling, of information being passed and received, was drawn from the Lloyd's building in London and inspired my decision to house a photographer. The actrist will record the uniqueness of each moment on the site through photographs of the ever-changing and weathering dowels, 2 timber, 2 copper and 2 stone. No unique set of weather conditions and effects on the dowels will ever be the same, and through the medium of a camera lens, the value of such unique moments and sets of conditions will be captured. Held in suspension, one moment in time, captured through the lens of the looker. Timber rot, copper stain and the cracking stone harmonise momentarily beneath the frozen sky, as only in this moment they can. Waters still, clouds unmoving, a moment captured now for fear of losing it forever.